Hey, Custom Black, I just got a question for you. Is this a cleaning up Jeep for you? Just wanting to know. I think I got it clean now, so I think we're good. Today's mission, jerry can holders, special. All right, so that's what we're looking at. We're gonna place 2 fuel carriers on the back of our tire carrier here. I was looking at it. These are rated to hold roto packs. So these are all plate steel. So they're all going to be rated just fine. I don't think that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to be tapping to wherever the holes line up. If you can see that. So it'll be one here for 5-gallon jugs, 5-gallon cans. I think it's going to be good. That's fine. So first thing was to take off this license plate holder. So we get that off. Oh, there's dirt. Watch out. Custom Black is going to be after me now. Intermission, brought to you by, no sponsorship intended. So here you go. That's how it looks. Let's get some cans in there and see what we got going on. Oh, it looks like a winner to me. I just got to get the latches put on to hold them down. Let's get those on. All right, there we go. That was about a 30-minute near catastrophic failure, but we got them in there. We'll get a little better look in the daytime, but that's gonna look pretty nice. I think we're gonna be pretty set. Tactical scout vehicle will have 10 gallons extra range. All right, let's check it out in the daylight. All right, so there it is, set up. About as even as I can get it with my Ludditeness. Let's get the tire on and everything. All right. All right. All right, there we go. We just need now to secure the hinges, the security there. Overall, I think it's going to work pretty good. Not much else to say. Pretty simple. Pretty simple.